Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'll talk about Outlier. Just a quick updates, quick video for this token and updates with my customer said what's going on now. Let's dive in. All right, guys. You remember my targets, and I'm still waiting. So people ask it, what tokens are you buying? If you're in almost all videos talk about I'm not buying this token. So guys, for example, I'm in Outlier, and you know it. And now I'm in tiny profit, because I bought in this area and after that I bought a little bit here. I'm not fixed profit at a bit listing. So here I bought it around here 6 cents, and after that I bought around 2 cents 80, I guess, and my average entry around 4 cents 20, right? And here I was in profit, but I don't get it. Don't get the chance to fix the profit. And personally, for me, it's not make sense to fix the profit on that spike. Here's an example. Once again, how the upbeat listing looks like just for the future. Just educate yourself with these examples, because on the next cycle, every single time, absolutely boring, same pattern. So upbeat listing, pump, drop, dump, right? After that, the seasonality, BTC dominance a little bit go down, BTC or hit the new all-time high or not, for example, or pump. Altcoins follow and sweep the high to the next zone to buy, to the next zone to sell, I mean. And for someone, it's going to be the good time to buy also, because this is a zone of interest. Guys, all targets for Outlier absolutely relevant until this token trade on centralized exchanges. My personal exit plan for Altlayer, you can have your own, and it's not unnecessary. So we will hit these targets. That's why I will track all my tokens during this ride. This content, it's not about like buy this, sell this, buy here, sell there. No, it doesn't work like this one. Stop this shit on YouTube, because all of these guys, it's just engage farming. Right, man? And it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, how people still believe in all of these random Moon Boys targets, right? So target for Outlier, first one target, realistic one, it's yearly open. So believe it or not, if this token, it's not a pure scam, because we saw a few examples like with with a mantra, when the token is just a pump, and after that dump, some hack, some investigation, the team come back to Twitter, start explaining, no, we're going to investigate what's happening with our token. Some hacked pools, I don't know, anything can happen, right? That's why, guys, we can't know. And the first zone of interest, it's fixation. Profit can be at 10 cents, 93. It's a yearly open. So believe it or not, but we're going to test it. Most likely, if we will see the massive altcoin rally, take a look. We need to break this high and pump like over than 20 cents to 24 cents. For example, from these current prices, it can be like also the good gains, like 400%. But guys, ask yourself, is it okay for you to buy now, took a risk or not? I took my own risk. I totally understand this coin can go to zero. And I'm not trying to catch the knives. I'm not trying to catch exact bottom, right? But I totally understand. We can see tomorrow some FUD, some posts from the Trump, and this coin can crash it down to zero. I'm ready. I'm ready to see. Why? Because it's comfortable amount of money, what I can afford to invest in this fancy, useless, absolutely virtual internet token like Outlier. All right. So the target where I will fix a profit, most likely at the yearly open, I will withdraw my initial deposit. Yes. Why? Because everything depends on your size of initial deposit, right? And if you invest some amount of money, what you can afford to lose, right? It's okay. But what's the point to get even a risk with that amount of money if you can just use the safety strategy, 100% pump, you withdraw initial deposit, forgot about the token, and right with the free money from the air. The whales, the market maker strategy. And here's a next step where I will fix a profit. So 1,700. Is it possible? So we're going to reach the new all-time high? Yes. Yes, it's more than real, guys. It can be around 3,000% gains. So I don't believe in $1 for Outlier. No, it's possible to see like 80 cents, for example, if this is not a pure scam, because at this current moment, we can't know. A lot of tokens looks promising, but at the end, we can understand only after the fact. Is it a scam or not? So technically, guys, first trouble area, it's a yearly open. This is the best zone to buy based on initiation accumulation pump model. You have to take an own decision. Is it okay for you to buy? Is it comfortable for you to buy or not? You have to be ready for this type of scenarios. If you're not ready, not click the bottoms. So just simple. So this is an okay zone to buy. For example, if you decide to buy now here after yearly open test, you withdraw initial deposit with the free tokens, you ride to the top, to the next step. Got it. If we talk about a structure, we need to break this high, this liquidity pool, test 24. Maybe after that, if we'll see this move in June, in the next 20 days, for example, it's going to be just a mind-blowing. And it's possible. After that, we can see the correction in August, pump to the top. And for example, if it will be the November and the BTC dominance will be already under 50%, yes, it can be the end of cycle for this token. Maybe this one or this one. And after that, we can crash it down into bear market. If you believe in new all-time high, you can wait. You have to follow your own plan, guys. Nobody do this job for you. Just follow your plan. Based on indicators, guys, take a look. A lot of altcoins still, even with these pumps, still in a good condition to accumulate. With a risk, always risk. But imagine if you zoom out, you're in like in 1,000% better position than the people who hop in blindly here and scream it to the moon. Right, so daily time frame, what is bad? We sweep this high, you know, but we trade way over exit line. That's why, this is one more reason why, guys, if we will see something like this one, 12 cents, it's more than okay to fix some profit on Outlier. And the correction to here, for example, the lines like this one, here will be the buy line. So that's the point, guys. If you bought, for example, at 2 cents, you can even withdraw initial deposit now. 12-hour time frame, the same story, guys. We pump it pretty good. And it's 410.32 exit line. Yearly open, it can be like a magnet. All right, a monthly time frame. What do we can see here? Also, the yearly open is around the a monthly gap, 10 cents 52. Next monthly gap, this is what I wish to see. It's 28, 24, 28. I wish to see the pump in the next 2 weeks to 21 cents, 24. Close the monthly gap. After that, August correction to 16 or even 12 and continuation to the 40. So that's the point, guys. This is what I wish to see. Take a look now with other indicators set. So like conclusion, guys, for me personally, we are around just a touch below the best zone to buy. It can't be the time to sell. Here was the time to accumulate an Outlier all this in period. You get a chance because you could track everything by yourself with this custom indicator set. This is a total capitulation zone for Outlier. We trade on the middle line. It's good time for accumulation for long run. Omni today I sold, right, because it was like a swing trade, just a swing trade, just position trade. Outlier, I wait for the main targets. It doesn't mean that Outlier is better than Omni. Absolutely the same useless tokens. Absolutely. So just the question is which one will be more in favorite list of market makers. That's one difference. That's one difference between these tokens. So ADZ, I wish to see on a weekly time frame something like this one that we're in C and something like this one on the chart. This is what I wish to see, and I wait these targets. If these targets will not happen, it's okay. I will fix based on the timing maybe. So market mood, it's just the disbelief, on the weekly time frame. Money power, guys, and trade on. This is a two last indicator here. Money inflow, money outflow. Money inflow, 5 cents, 3 cents 90, 4 cents 60. So average entry can be like current price. That's why most likely you will see the reaction at 10 cents or 12.69. You will see the money outflow because the whales probably will out with initial deposit. Got it. So you can follow the steps of the whales. It's pretty simple strategy, guys. A daily here was a money inflow, buy, money inflow, sell, take profit, upbeat listing. I share with you the video here and showed you why it's not a bullish. Why it's not bullish? Because it's happened all the time. It was a money outflow. We drop it down, but without any money inflow. Now we're at the top, but without any money outflow. That's why, guys, highly recommend it. Go and check the first video about Outlier to understand the logic. One take. Second one, track the destined shadow. Third one is take an own decision. Accumulate Outlier or not. If it's comfortable for you, 410.67, you can accumulate. But mark your personal targets where it's personally for you will be comfortable to press sell. Don't listen even to me or anyone, guys, on YouTube. And yearly open, believe it or not, but we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it sooner or later, just because market makers needed money to push the price on a BTC higher. Also, take a look. I also showed you this example. When we get a FEEP like this one, this is order flow from the top to the bottom. Usually we pump to 0.5 level by FEEP of this correction. So 11 cents, 12 cents, 69. It's more than real to see this month. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Altlayer. If you would like to trade with my customer request, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.